Let's spend the weekend in Nashville, Tennessee.
We're headed to a morning bar class outside on a lawn with Barre 3. So excited. We've got our yoga mats. We've got our Stanleys.
Ready to go.
We're ready to go.
This is the view from the courtyard where Barre was being held. The sun was out, it was warm, it was gorgeous, and this is all of us lined up ready to exercise.
Survived. I would almost even say we thrived.
If you want a picture at the Angel Wings, good luck because this was the line. After bar class, we headed to lunch, and on our walk, I was really surprised to see all the greenways, the bikes, people out walking and enjoying the day. We had lunch at LA Jackson, which is a rooftop bar with great views of the city. I definitely recommend at least trying the frosé and going with some friends because they have an open floor concept with a DJ and an impromptu dance floor. And when the weather's really nice, they open up those garage doors for fresh air to come inside. Of course, I had to try the French toast for lunch. It was beautiful. It tasted amazing. Every bite was so good. And of course, I cleaned my plate. Then we helped a stranger win a scavenger hunt by taking a shot of tequila with her. The city was hosting a songwriters showcase where you go and listen to the actual songwriters play their music.
I still think about you.
The next morning was perfect weather for a walk through Germantown so we could see all the streets, pretty buildings, and stop at the Red Bicycle Coffee and Crepe Cafe for a morning coffee. After coffee, it was off to Cheekwood Botanical Gardens where they had food trucks and live music. We each got a fruit bowl and they were all three delicious. We swapped to try. The gardens were in bloom and they were gorgeous. It was the perfect time to go on a stroll. There are several different gardens in this one with different themes, and all of them were beautiful. Not a single one had me disappointed. There's even an area that's more foresty than the others to walk through for some shade if you're there on a hot day. You have to buy special tickets to see the inside of this house, but the outside was incredible to look at. The architecture was stunning. Not a spring weekend in Nashville if you don't go to a Sounds game at First Horizon Park, which is exactly what we did. We started off in the stands, but got a little toasty in those seats and ended up sitting in the lawn out in the outfield. The stadium was big, clean, and a really good time. For our last night in Nashville, we visited Topgolf, which was actually an incredible experience. If you haven't gone, I do recommend giving it a try. Even if you think you might be bad, you may surprise yourself. The company was great and the food was even better. We got injectable donut holes that came with cream, raspberry, and Nutella filling. They were delicious. I was not expecting these to be so good. All the food was actually great. If you're looking for a place to take a morning stroll, Centennial Park is perfect. It's clean, the paths are smooth, it's quiet, the Parthenon is there, which is gorgeous. I had no idea this even existed in Nashville, and it's really pretty. It's also not that big of a park, so you're not going to overdo it. For our very last activity, we took Lauren to her first farmer's market ever. The market itself was basically closed, but the inside was really cool. There was a big food court and any type of food for anyone. No matter what you like, there was something there for you. They even had assorted local goods. If you like the brand Nashville looks good on you, they do have a store inside this building.
To go to my first farmer's market today.
This had to have been good because she talked about it for 2 days. Nashville is a bigger city with a small town feel, and I wouldn't mind going back.